This is a campaign to end violence, an 18th-day campaign to end violence against women. Kung titignan po ninyo, yung talagang batas na yan, every now and then, sa akin po katayuan bilang isang abogado, ay hindi talaga lumilipas ang maghapon na walang kwento, walang istorya, walang reklamo patungkol sa violence against women. Kaya lang, ang nakakalungkot sa batas na yan, talagang from reading of the title of the law itself, kitang-kita mo na kung sino ang masakit magtanggapin, ay laging ang pinatutungkulan ay ang kalalakihan. But definitely, nagkaroon ho dyan ng reformation. Meron ni-reform yung batas at that is not included only or solely or confined na ang violator ay ang lalaki. Kung titignan po natin yung batas, talagang nakatalagay din diyan na as long as you are in a relationship, you can be part of the law. So bakit natin ginagawa? Ang tinapagtaka natin, bakit kailangan ng kampanya? Kasi talaga ho sa totoo lang, ang laki ng problema natin when it comes to domestic violence. At kung titingnan po natin, it's one of the strongest issue that we need to address. Kasi kung ang pamilya po natin ay wala talagang problema, definitely we in the city leadership will not have any problem and we could center or focus our attention to more important activities of the city. Kaya lamang party po yun. Kaya nga po yung narito ngayon, sinasabi ho natin, let's all together stand to end violence against women. Pero yun nga lagi, biri totoo, hindi ho ito nakasentro sa usapin ng kababaihan. Kasi ho, lagi na lang, most of the time, marami rin ho lalaki na katulad namin. I'm not being too defensive in the issue. But what I am trying to lay down is yung katotohanan. Marami na rin ng kalalakihan ang talaga magbiktima. But of course, the treatment of the law, it is a violence against women. So definitely, hindi kami kasali diyan. At most often, when we talk of or discuss this issue, ang lagi sinasabi na offender ay kaming mga kalalakihan. So, ano ba yung tema? So we are here standing to join the 18th-day campaign to end violence against women. Pero ang totoo dapat yan, we have to reform that. We have to reform that. Paano natin na-reform? Let's all together stand. Let's all end violence sa ating mga kababayan. Whether babae o lalaki, dapat walang violence. Because everyone deserves to have a good life. At yan ang mangyayari lang sa pagtutulungan natin. Babae ka man, lalaki man ako, ang kailangan natin, we have to respect. We know our right and responsibility in our community, in our society, in order to have a good life. Kaya po, kami po sa Sangguniang Panglungsod ay nagpapahayag our strongest support to the program of end violence against women and children as a matter of fact. Pero ito naman ho, makikita ninyo na even before the advent of the activity that we are doing today, we already throw our strong support dito po sa kampanya. Ang ating pong Gender and Development Code had been passed by the Sangguniang Panglungsod. And as a matter of fact, ito po yung ginagamit natin ng ating kasalukuyang administrasyon na pag-ikot sa iba't ibang mga barangay using as basis the code that had been passed and codified by the Sangguniang Panglungsod. That's why I'm very thankful to all the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod who really take time studying what is supposed to be incorporated in the law that will be fitting para sa ating mga taga-tanawan. So from that standpoint alone, hindi po na namin kailangan magsalita that we are giving our support, we are doing our share. Hindi lang po salita, we are doing our share, being the local legislator of the city. We crafted the ordinance that needed by the city in order to implement the program that we are observing today. That's why sa aking mga kasama sa Sanggunian, maraming salamat sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin sila. At yun yung strong manifestation ng Sangguniang Panglungsod in joining or in the observance of the 18th-day campaign to end violence against women. So, yan, sinong may violence diyan? So, in closing, not to be repetitive, but the City Council is one in our position. We are joining the city government of the City of Tanawan in our campaign to end violence against women. Please take note of this. The 18th-day campaign is just a ceremonial activity because the campaign must be every day. The campaign must be every year. Hindi lang po 18 araw. But more importantly, sa ating pamumuhay, pare-pares tayo. Ating protektahan ang ating kababaihan, protektahan natin ang kalalakihan, protektahan natin ang mamamayan para sa isang maganda, mabuti, progresibo, at siyempre, what is important, ay maayos na pamumuhay dito sa lungsod ng Tanawan. So sa lahat po na nag-participate, different organizations, senior citizen, national agencies in the city, the PNP, the DILG, the BJMP, at iba't ibang mga ahensya, iba't ibang mga organizations na present today. Maraming salamat po. At katulad po rin ninyo, kami narito not just to say something, but and express our strongest manifestation of support to our campaign. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang lungsod ng Tanawan at mabuhay ang bawat isa na protektahan ang kapakanan ng bawat mamamayan sa lungsod ng Tanawan. Maraming salamat po.
Vice Mayor Attorney Junjun Trinidad.